sweet. B for bear with dancing feet. C for cloud that floats so high. D for duck that waddles by. E for eagle flying fast. F for fire that doesn't last. G for gift wrapped up tight. H for helicopter in flight. I for ice cream cold and yummy. J for jelly in my tummy. K for kitten soft and small. L for ladder against the wall. M for mirror shining bright. N for night so calm and quiet. O for onion round and white. P for penguin such a sight. Q for question you can ask. R for robot doing a task. S for socks in red and blue. T for train that's chugging through. U for unicorn with magic glow. V for volcano ready to blow. W for wind that gently blows. X for x-ray showing toes. Y for yawn when we're sleepy too. Z for zoo with animals for you. A to Z, we had such fun. Let's read again when the day is